Hi, can you show Mammy your new shoes? Do you have new shoes? Do you love your shoes? Do you love your shoes?
McKenna. McKenna.
What's out there? Is that the lake? Is that the lake? Where's your pumpkin? Where's your pumpkins? There it is. Show Mammy your pumpkin. Is that your pumpkin? No. Can you tell Mammy ba ba ba? Good. Can you tell Mammy what's a dog say? What's a cat say? Yeah. What's a bird say? Caw, caw. Whoa. Show Mammy your shoes. Got new shoes? You do? Can you come give Mammy a kiss? Mwah. Good job. Oh, good kisses. Thank you. Can you come give Mammy a hug? Come give Mammy a hug. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Can you say bye-bye? Can you wave? Can you wave? No. Say bye. Bye. Good job.